Hello everybody, welcome to this platform, and today's video we have given a question x to the power 4 and 4 power x power 3. Then when we write this one, we are asked to find the value of x. Okay, now solution. Then first thing here, we have to copy what we have. We have x, then the power 4, okay, then is equal to what? 4 power x power 3. And if you have seen this question nicely, it means that here we have x power x power x power x. To me that is powered 4, which equals to 4 power x then power 3. Then here at this stage we can apply natural logarithm ln of x to the power x power x power x, which equals to ln of 4 power x power 3. And remember that this is a base, to mean that this exponent can be come at the front right here to get x power x ln of x equals to, and this one should be written here at the front to get x power 3 ln of 4. At this stage we can divide this ln power 3 on both sides. Then to get here, shall say ln x power x, then over x power 3, then here times ln x is equal to ln of 4. And at this stage here we have, by using this law of indices, which is say a power n over a power m, this is equal to a power n minus m. Okay, minus m, and you're going to apply it right here. Now shall get x power, here we have x power x, okay, then minus 3 right here, which is equal to times ln x, which equals to ln, this 4 can be written as 2 power 2. And then at this stage we have x power x, then minus 3 times ln of x to be equals to 2 ln of 2. And then at this stage here we can equalizing or comparing these sides we have right here. Whereas here, by comparing both sides, what should we get? We shall get here, by comparing this one and this, we shall get ln x equals to ln of 2. By simplifying this ln, we shall get x is equal to 2. Now by replacing in above equation, we have right here where we have x power x, okay, power x, then minus 3, and equal to what? And equal to 2. What should we get? We are going to replace 2 in above equation we have right here to get 2 power 2 minus 3 should be equals to 2 question mark. And here we have 2 2 power 2 is equal to 4 minus 3, which equals to a 2. And 2 power 1 is equal to 2 power 1. And you can say left hand side is equal to right hand side, to mean that our value of x is equal to 2. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to share and subscribe, and keep that once we upload the video, we'll be the one to show first.